Let's dance with Bildika. We're going to be dancing a routine with the intent of building resilience using the lower, middle and upper planes. So gripping positive tension, so grip the hands. Let's start down low. 1, 2, up, breathing in. Involve your whole body, your whole mind, your whole emotion. Let's speed it up. Down, middle, up. Keep it going. Building up the tension. Now we're going to release it. Opposite, open wide. Release. Now preparing the body for a down and up. Down, up. Now let's do the other side. Down, up. Punch it out. Other side. Alternate. Punch it out. Now back to our building up the tension. In the face. Let it out. Again. Now let's release that tension. Open it out. Throw it away. Loose head and neck and shoulders. Ready for down, up. Push it out. Push, punch. Release that tension. Other side. Down, up. Diagonal. Other side. And that side. Push and release. Now ready, grip it. Now push it out 2 times, then we'll push up 4 times. Down for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push it up and down. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, put your life into it. Your whole body. 4 hands. 1 more set. Now just down and up on one side. Last time this side and switch. Now we're going to do a light left brain. We're going to go up, then down. Up, down, Other side, up and down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hang on, grip it in. Middle, upper. Now let it go. Energy ball. Hope you've enjoyed it.